How to transfer from bitget wallet to tonkeeper. Now, first of all, we need to be able to open the bitget wallet app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, to be able to transfer from bitget wallet to tonkeeper, we need to tap on wallets from here. And now, as you can see, there is a lot of options, but we need just the send option. Tap on send. Now, from here, as you can see, you can select one of these like chain or the network chain. And if you are know that the certain crypto that under any network, you can select it from here. Now for Ton, it's under in Ton chain. As you can see, we can now select the Ton to be able to send it. Now, as you can see, under two, it's you need to the wallet or the you need to enter the wallet address or the main name. Now, how to be able to get the wallet address? Now, just we need to go to tonkeeper app. Now after that, open the tonkeeper to be able to get the withdrawal address. Now for ton, so for here I will just tap on ton, and now as you can see there is here like the three options. We need the option of receive, tap on it. After that, tap on copy. Now go back to bitget wallet. Now expand this window. Now after that, paste the withdrawal address here. As you can see, paste it. Now the amount, enter how much you want to like send. As you can see, $542. On the memo, you don't need it because you copy a special address from tonkeeper. After that, tap on confirm, and after that, tap on confirm, and you will be able. And as you can see, because I don't have balance, they show me this message. But for you, just tap on confirm and confirm the transaction to be able to transfer from bitget wallet to tonkeeper. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.